Greetings everybody and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to remove WhatsApp admin who created the group. So in order for that to be done, first you can try it by mm, uh, getting the admin status yourself, and maybe you will able to remove them, but that is not going to be happening since WhatsApp is not allowing to remove the creator, the original person who have created the group. So a group can be unlimited number of admins, and any admin can make a member an admin. The creator of the group can't be removed and will remain an admin unless they exit the group. In order to make someone an admin of the group, you must be an admin of the group. So that is it for WhatsApp can't interfere with group admissions and administration functions. For example, we can't make someone an admin even if they were previously an admin and removed by another admin. So WhatsApp is not offering this and not letting this happen. So do not waste your time on silly things like that and save some of your time and get yourself an admin status. So yeah, so that is it for this video guys. I hope this was helpful and makes sense. If it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. So that is it for this. See you guys around in the next one.